In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an SSH key in Hostinger. This process is essential for anyone looking to establish a secure connection between their local machine and their Hostinger server. By using SSH keys, you can authenticate without the need for a password, enhancing both your security and convenience. First, let's discuss generating an SSH key. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create an SSH key pair. This consists of a private key, which you keep secure on your device, and a public key, which you'll be sharing. The tool for generating keys varies depending on your operating system, but regardless, the result will be two files, a private key file and a corresponding public key file, which usually ends with the extension .pub. For our purpose today, we will only need the public .pub file, as that's what you'll upload to Hostinger. Once you have your public key ready, we'll move on to enabling SSH access in Hostinger, a crucial step to ensure that your server is prepared to accept SSH connections. Begin by logging into your hPanel account on Hostinger. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Websites section and find the Manage button next to your site. Clicking this button directs you to your site's management page, where you'll see a sidebar. Look for the SSH access option and select it. If the SSH access isn't enabled yet, there will be an Enable button. Simply click on this to activate SSH access for your server. This setup allows your server to accept secure SSH connections, creating a bridge for secure data transfer. With SSH access enabled, it's time to add your SSH public key to Hostinger. While still on the SSH access page, scroll down until you see the option to Add SSH Key. Click on it to get started. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your key. It's good to choose something meaningful that will remind you of where or what the key is for, such as Work Laptop ED25519 or anything else that you'd find memorable. This is followed by pasting the entire content of your pub file into the provided field. Be careful to copy the content precisely, ensuring no extra spaces or characters. Once you have everything entered correctly, click Add SSH Key. And just like that, your public key is registered. The next time you SSH into your server, you won't be prompted for a password, which is a great time saver and adds an extra layer of security by using encrypted key-based authentication rather than traditional passwords. By following these steps, you've streamlined your server management process, making it more efficient and secure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out.